This conference will now be recorded.
Now today, no books, nothing. Just keep watching the screen. Any given time, if you have any questions, confusion, tell me to repeat again. Remember this very well. No writing work today, just watching. Today, I'll be doing two very important topics that I'm going to discuss and I'm going to show you, called flows, also known as interviews. Interviews, not your job interview. The concept itself is called interview. Now today I am going to walk you through interview, through a flow, right? What is a flow? Don't need to take down the notes, just listen. Whenever you have a step-by-step process with a defined action, we call them as a flow. Step-by-step process with a defined action is called flow. There are 5 types of flows available. No need to take notes, just listen. There are 5 types of flows available. First one, screen flow. Second one, auto launched flow. Third one, schedule flow. Fourth one, trigger based flow. Fifth one, system event flow. Today we will be dealing with 2 flows. First one, screen flow, auto launch flow. If you are able to understand this 2 flow, the remaining flows are just 10 minutes topic. The remaining 3 flows are just 10 minutes, not even more than that. But to understand this 2 flow, it is a 1.5 hour or 2 hours class. Keep watching, right? I say login with different user, Rupam@of109.com, password CRM1234#. I log into my environment. What is the task? What is the task? The business requirement is that after a patient comes to a hospital, we want our call center agent to call each and every patient and ask some questions. Can I have your name, please? Can I have your number, please? Are you happy with the service provided by Apollo Hospital? Lot many of questions. There could be 10 or 15 set of questions. Based on the question answer, system will do an action. This is called as screen flow, also called as interview, as if you're taking an interview with someone, right? I will ask you some question, something like a feedback form. Depending on your feedback, system will create a case, or system will create an opportunity, system will create a lead, system will go ahead and update the status, customer not happy, system is going to create an meeting appointment. Based on what? Based on the custom questions, custom input. Based on that, we will create this. This is the whole purpose. Understood the business requirement? This is the story that we are going to build today. I'm picking up this from the real time only. Because in real time, you know that after every call or every time you call a call center, you get a feedback. You get a message to reply. Here, this is a form based. Let's do this. To do this, right, I need to scroll down, process automation. I'll click on flows. Today we are dealing with flows. I click on new flow, the new flow button. Those who have missed the button, close. I'm in process automation. I click on flows. Toward the right side corner, I have a button called as new flow. I click on it. There are 5 types of flows available, as I told you. Screen flow, auto launch flow, schedule flow, trigger flow, system event or a platform event flow. These are the 5 flows. First, we are taking screen flow. I click on next. System will ask you, do you want freeform or auto layout? There's no difference. There is no difference. In freeform, I can arrange the flow as per my requirement, drag and drop. If I tell it to put that component there, it will be there. In auto layout, system will adjust the layouts. I'll take a freeform. This is the flow builder. This is a flow builder. Flow builder consists of interactions. Interactions means between the client, customer and the company, right? Or between customer to customer, or between one employee taking a feedback from another employee. Please rate your manager. Is your manager knowledgeable? Is your manager it's motivational? Is your manager career oriented? Is your manager follow ethics? Some set of questions. I will drag and drop screen. Now, there are 3 components in interaction, 3 logics, 3 interaction, 3 logics, 4 data request. Create, update, retrieve, delete. CRUD operations. Create, update, get means retrieve, delete. CRUD operations. I drag and drop the screen here, right? I will give a label called as WELCOME, welcome to welcome. Okay, welcome screen. API name welcome. Nothing. Don't click done. We are not done. Scroll down. Drag and drop a label. Display text. Drag and drop. Say, right, Apollo Hospital Health Care Feedback System. What is this? WELC, welcome. Welcome to Apollo Hospital Health Care Feedback System. I want a bold. I want italics. I want the color to be somewhere Apollo. Okay. Right. I said done. I double click on it. I click here again. By mistake, I've clicked done. Highlight it. I highlight this. Select the color. Click done, not this done. There's a 2 done, then I got confused little. There's a done. Right? I want this to be center. Below than this, I want an image. Press enter. Insert an image. Where is the image? I will say, perfect. Is it too big? Oh man, it's too big. Right? So what I will do? Right? Delete. Which one was the small? 3 and 4, right? 4th one was, this one was small if I'm not wrong. Okay, open. Perfect. First screen, this is what will be displayed. Perfect. Welcome. You want the font to be increased? Then come here. Do everything here. Preview is here. Output is here. I increase the font to 16. I increase the font to 18. Perfect. Done. My welcome screen is done. I drag and drop and I put it here. My welcome screen. Next, in the same screen, I can do so many things. But just for training and showing you, once again, I'm dragging drop one more screen. I could have did it in the same one page itself. I'd have asked the heading and then question. Now, first screen will be welcome. Whenever you click the next button, this is a feedback screen. feedback. Now scroll down, drag and drop, say question 1, right? Please enter name. I want the agent should be able to enter the data there. Text, drag and drop. Text, drag and drop. I will say ANS1 name. Right? Perfect. Second question. Drag and drop a text. Q2 phone. Please enter your phone number. Perfect. I can take number. There is a pick list, there is a phone. I will drag and drop and put phone here. We will do this later. You can see that there's a formatting can be done. There can be placeholder. You know what is a placeholder? Dash, 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 10 dash will come. If it's a date, dash, dash, slash, dash, dash, slash, dash, 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 dash. So that you can enter only data in that places. You cannot enter data anywhere. So that's so many things we can do. Now I will say ANS2 phone. ANS2 phone. Right? Phone. Let's do one thing. For the moment, I am just removing it. Delete. Simple, I'll do it because I don't want to make you confused at this moment now. Let us first create a simple one. I drag and drop text only. I will say ANS2 phone. Done. Anything more you want to capture? Enough. You want to capture anything more? Then drag and drop a text. Then a display text and then an answer text. 2 fields, 1 label, 1 input. Clear? So, is it feedback? No, I will say write patient details. Patient details. I click on done. I join this to this. Last and final time for online people who have joined late. Last and final time I'm showing for people who have joined late. I'm dragging and dropping one more screen. I'm giving a feedback name called as feedback. Earlier I gave feedback and then I change it to patient details or something. Perfect. Once again, scroll down. Display text. Did you like our services? Wrong. Question 3. Services. Question 3. Services. Question. Did you like our services? Realistically, I should give a radio button. Yes, no, maybe. For now, I'm keeping it simple. Text. ANS3. Answer 3. Service. Answer 3. Service. What I displayed wrong thing. Delete. Text. Answer 3. Service. In the third screen, only one question. Like this, I can have a lot of questions I can drag and drop. Right? Click done. First, welcome would be displayed. After welcome, details will be captured. Then I will ask for a feedback. Did you like the service? System will give me answers. I mean, not system. User will say yes, no. Now I will take a decision. I'm dragging and dropping a decision here. What is that? Right? What to do? Decision name is what to do. First decision, I will say, right? Create case. Not happy. Create case. How will you decide he's not happy? Whenever your answer 3 equals to n, I will say not equals to contains. Na, no, no. NOP. Are you happy? No. Are you happy? Na. Are you happy? No. Then I will decide, I will call it as not happy. Plus happy. Happy. Whenever it's happy, what will you do? Shall we create an applicant? Anything? Okay, let's create an opportunity. Create OPP. If he is happy, system will automatically create an OPP. How will you decide he is happy? Whenever the answer 3 contains yes, yeah, yep, why, I'm happy, right? Any other outcome? Yes, plus neutral. Neutral. Whenever answer 3 service. See, I can take more field guys. Answer 3 as well as mobile city Chennai. Then you can add more conditions. But I'm keeping it simple now. Answer 3 contains what's that? Maybe answer 3 contains maybe, right? All condition or add condition. Answer 3 contains or y contains equals to okay, equals to may, because I don't know whether he will type maybe or may space b. We don't know. So that's the reason I'm taking either it contains may or it contains okay, right? Okay, not equals to, I'll say contain, because somebody can type okay. Equal to is exact. Then my output is what? Neutral. Done. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Decision, what to do? Feedback has taken, now what to do? Now create record. Create case. Create case. Case. I'm creating a case. Do you want to create one case or 10 cases? Obviously, one case only I'll create. Separate resource literal values. My own resource, I will put the value. Which object? Case. In case, what are the compulsory fields? Tell me. Whenever you create a case, what is the compulsory value in case? Contact compulsory? Huh?
I think how we are
Sorry.
giving the feedback might be through phone or through web mail.
What is the compulsory field in case object? Somebody says status. Sure. It's a compulsory field. Case. New case. Click save. What is the compulsory field? ఇలా ఉంటే కథమే. మన లెవెల్ మనకు అర్థమవుతుంది. అవర్ లెవెల్ we are able to understand where we are. Right? All create 10 cases, 10 opportunity, 10 accounts, 10 10 opportunity, 10 contacts, 10 campaign. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాను. For what? Just to make you understand that which one is compulsory. At least 10 times if you go down, మీకు ఏదో ఒక్కసారి అయితే స్టార్ మార్క్ కనబడుతుంది. While you do 10 times, one time అయినా కనబడుతుంది కదా. One time only it will be visible. That is the reason I gave you that. Case origin, phone, email, web. Somebody from the online answered it correctly. Case origin is the compulsory field. Close. I come to my flow. First thing that I will look for, case origin. Enter the value. I have how many choices there? Phone, email, web. Yes, I'm taking web. Because that is, without that you can't create a case. Whether you create from here, whether you create from data loader, whether you create from anywhere, compulsory fields has to be mapped. For compulsory fields has to be given a data. Otherwise system will not create. So that's the reason I'm giving a case origin. Next, other than this, I can create a blank case also. You don't need to give a subject line, no contact, no account, nothing. Just say origin phone, submit, case number will generate. What is the subject line? God only knows, you only know. Right? But here I am setting the subject. Subject. Answer 1, name, is not happy. System will create a case. If you enter the name called Ravi, Ravi is not happy. A case will be created with this subject line. Perfect. Add field. What else I have? Let me check it out. Right? Status not required. Right? Supplied phone. Okay, there's a description field somewhere. I will say enter phone. Copy this. Please call the customer on this phone number. Please call the customer on this phone number and resolve the case. Done. Drag and drop from here to here. Not happy, you have 3 choices. Not happy, create case. Happy, create opportunity. Neutral, we don't know what to do. Done. Wherever in the decision it's not happy, system will create a case. Now, create OPP. 1, yes. Literal, yes. Object, opportunity. Tell me what are the opportunity fields compulsory? Opportunity field. Sorry? Stage. Yep, correct. Next. Perfect, correct. Close date. Opportunity. Number is not there.
Opportunity name.
Opportunity name, close date and stage. These 3 are compulsory field. Right? So opportunity. First one, what is that? Right? Amount. Let's take it. How much? $10. Field. What are the compulsory field? Opportunity, close date, stage name equals to stage. System is giving you the values. See, let us say that it's an prospecting. Next, what is that? Close date. Close date. System is giving system dot, right, today. System dot today. Enter a value. Oh, it's not taking it. Okay. Either you enter the date like this. See, it's giving you MMDDYY, or you say system, right? Original date on time. Whatever the system time, today's time, it will take it. Next, right? What else is compulsory? Name. What I will say? Name is happy. Please pitch for happy. Please pitch for insurance or package sale. Looks like that with the last appointment, Ravi was very happy patient. Now call him and sell him an insurance. Sir, last time you came, there was a problem. Next time, God knows, it's better that you buy insurance, because your last time you came, we are giving you 50% off, only 10,000 rupees. We cover everything. I'm pitching a sale. That's an opportunity. Clear? Add. How many fields are there? That many fields you'll start mapping. So description, phone is there, here phone is not there. So description. In that, I will put the phone field. Phone number. Whatever the phone number is there, I'm dumping in this field called as description. Done. Drag and drop here. Happy, create opportunity. So whenever customer is happy, system will create opportunity. Whenever customer is not happy, it will create case. Now when he is neutral, what should he do? We'll give him thank you. Right? One screen. Right? One screen. Better service. Right? Label is better service. Display text. Right? I will say service. Something SVCS. Here I say, right? Apologies for the inconvenience caused. We took your feedback and will try to improve the service better. Perfect. Highlight, bold, center alignment, font 16, color full to red. Click done. Drag and drop this to the screen. Neutral. Abba, spelling kuda khatarnak undi. Neutral. Neutral is this. Finally, Andarki Namaskaram, Sabha Namaskaram. One more screen. Thank you. Right? Scroll down. Display text. Thanks. Thanks for your valuable feedback and time. Sorry? What is the mistake? Visit again. Abba. No. The neutral is also coming there. Finally, the neutral is also coming there. Visit again and unhappy is also coming there. Wait, I will not say visit again. Right? We'll put in a good word. We will try level best to make your experience delighted for your next visit. This is a general message which can I tell to anyone. People who are not happy, for them I can tell this message. People who are happy, for them also same message. People who are okay, for them also same message. Visit again. If I tell it to unhappy customer, panleda, last time when I came last time, then that time only I suffered. You want me to again come and suffer? So we will not say visit again. We will be very diplomatic. Right? So this 18, bold, center, green, center, one picture, one smiley, one monkey, one cat. So I'm just inserting one picture. What happened? Picture పోయింది, అన్ని పోయింది. Control A, Control C, enter picture. Good, no? Apollo Hospital, touching lives. Last, right? Below than this, I'll give a link. www.apollohospital.com. చేయాలి తప్పది, ఇదేం business. Everybody is able to understand. I'm trying to build a full-fledged feedback system with limited questions. In real time, the process is same. The only thing is that the questions will be long. Adappa inke em ledu. Close. Link. URL. Save. How ikkada ochindindi idi? Okay. After this, I'll press enter. Perfect. So visit link here. Done. After creating record, come to the screen. After creating this, come to the last screen. Neutral also come to the same screen. All of them. If I have taken auto flow, auto right layout, then this would have been automatically arranged. Now say that I am arranging it. Perfect. Did you feel that we left anything anywhere? No loopholes? Because it's a system defined. Whatever you define, it will work in that way. Now, first thing is that save. What is the name? Apollo Hospital Healthcare Feedback System. Right? To collect patient feedback. I click save. These are all now robotic process. In RP also, you will do the same thing. If anybody has seen the RPA screen, there also you have to do the same. Controls will be there. You have to drag and drop. System will control everything now. It's not in my control. Creation is done. After that, system will take a decision. It will do the things as per the condition that you gave. So these are robotic processes, right? Done. Shall we see how it looks? Run. This is how it will be visible after an end user runs this. Welcome to Apollo Healthcare, health spelling wrong, care feedback system. Perfect. I click next. Please enter your name. Ravi. Please enter your phone number 22334455. Next. Did you like our service? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Yeah, we can. I told you, no, we will put radio buttons, but for the training purposes, I'm keeping it simple now. You put a checkbox, you put a radio button, you put a drop down. Yes, no, maybe, might be, could be, should be, must be. You select the choice, and based on that,
Can we
yes,
add
please.
validations as well?
Yes, we can. We can do anything. Perfect. Yes. First, let us see whether this basic works or not. Then we will go to the starting FSO advanced. Now only it's called confusing. If I start showing validation rules on that formatting, on that this, then everything will be. Now I click next. Thank you for your valuable feedback and time. We'll try level best to make our experience, your experience delight for your next visit. Here is the link, click, it will take. I should see now case to be created. Let's go ahead and check it out. App Manager, Services. Automatically, the robot should create a case. Case. Ravi is not happy. See, automatically case got created. Subject line. Whatever we have entered, case origin web, right? Subject line, see, automatically system is showing all the details here. Description, please call the customer on 22334455 and resolve the case. Did we create the case? No. Who created? System control. Next, it's ready for the next turn. You need not to relaunch it. First customer over. As soon as you click on finish, again it will come back to the first. Welcome to Apollo Health. Next customer. Next. Enter your name. What's that? Raju. R-A-J-U. Enter your phone number. 980000. Click next. Are you happy with the service? Yes. Click next. Thank you for your valuable feedback. It came to the same screen. Go and check. Now it should create what? Opportunities. App Manager. View all. Sales. Opportunities. Raju is happy. Please pitch for insurance and package sales. See, system got created. And the amount it has created for how much? $10. The one which I gave during the creation. Right? Perfect. Yes. Last and final one which we'll try is maybe okay. I come here. Finish. System goes back. You need not to relaunch every time. It is a cyclic process. Click next. What's your name? Name? Madhavi. Phone number? Okay, she doesn't want to give. 888000. Right? That's okay. Click next. Did you like our service? Tell me, yes, Madhavi, or no? No, you didn't like, I know this. So maybe. Sure. Come in. You want to give maybe, okay? Meaning is same because I have taken contain. The question is, you ask a wrong question. The question should be, what if I put Shah Rukh Khan? What if I give my answer as, did you like our service? Shah Rukh Khan. Then how the system will behave is the question. Because we are going with the defined words that we defined, but in the real time, user can enter anything. It's a text field. There is no validation. He can enter here, any data here. Maybe okay. Maybe okay is a choice available. So system will not give any error. It will go straight. Next. What we said? Contain. It didn't work expected. Maybe. Click next. What should we be getting? I should get in a neutral one. I should be getting a screen called as what? Apologies for the inconvenience. We took your feedback and we'll try to improve the service. After that screen, I should get thank you screen. Between these two, in the neutral, I have one screen extra. That's not coming up. That means system is not able to catch the neutral. Go to the decision, fix it. Neutral. Answer 3 service contains may, MAY. So maybe ante may undi kada akkada, contain undi kada, or contains okay. Any condition is met, or that's neutral. Perfect. I don't see any error. Save, run. Let us try once again. Name ABC, phone number 111. Next. Okay. Next. For okay, it's coming. Maybe, may. Next. No, for may it's not coming. Maybe. No. MAY. Next. No. Huh? Why is? MAY. అర్థం కాలేదు.
I think there is a space after MAY in the
Oh,
content
yes,
space.
also there is a Y. Yes. Contains. Correct catch. Yes. Because in happy, I say contains Y. In may also Y is there. Contains. Right? So I will say equals to maybe. Done. Close. Right click. Close. Save. Run. Now let us see. Next. Name A. Phone number 2222. Next. Service. Maybe. Next. Maybe. Next. No. Still the problem. Because
It is
happy
taking the
says
first
happy
condition.
says contain. We should change actually in the happy, not here. We should change not here. We should say equals to. Then this will be fine. There I can say contain now. Let me change neutral contain. See, you have to test this all, guys, like this. Save. Saving, saving, saving. Close this one first. Run. Next. AAA. Phone number 444. Click next. Service. May. Next. I gave what? Let us go back. ఏంది చిన్నటి కింద కొట్టుకుంటున్నాం. Shame. For a small only we are hitting left and right. Vomit. Now we'll do the May and then only we'll go home. Phone number 222. Clicks next. May. Next. Finally. Previous. Maybe. Next. Apologies. MAYB. Next. Apologies. MAYB. Okay. BE. All possible scenarios we have taken. Got it? Apologies for the inconvenience. Next. Thank you for your valuable feedback and time. We will try level best to make your experience delight for your next visit. Understood how to create a flow? Good. Perfect. Now the question is that as a developer, I created it. To test it, I clicked on run. How the user will access it? You cannot tell user every time that click on setup, click on process, click on flow, then click run. Right? You can deploy this. Listen, I'll give the notes. You can deploy with the help of a tab, with the help of a button, with the help of a link. Now, I want to deploy this with the help of a tab. Whenever I click on view all, whenever I click on Apollo Hospital, I should be able to see here one more tab coming up, Apollo Hospital Health Care Feedback System. As soon as you click on it, it should open. That is my requirement. Or else, in the patient, I want a button here. The way you have mapped me, feedback. You click on it, then automatically this flow will be launched. Now we are coming how this can be accessible by an end user, deploying it. Development is fine. Till development is all good, yes. But how the end user will access it is a question. So for that, click on run. Right? Copy this web link. Open a notepad. We are running out of time. Right? Right. Keep it till here. Flow dev name equals to whatever the name that we gave. Apollo Healthcare, Apollo Hospital Healthcare Feedback System. Keep this link. Control C. Now I'm deploying it, guys. I close this. I say thank you. Come out of the flow builder. We have come out of the flow builder. My flow builder flow is created, and you can see that our flow is shown here. Right? I didn't activate it. I'm sorry. Open it. Click on activate. Now come out of it. Is it activated? Yes. Scroll down. Look for user interface. Look for tab. Look for tab. Look for web tab. It's not a table. Is it a table? No. So hence I'm not creating object tab. For table, where to store the data, it's an object tab, but this is not an object tab. I'm clicking on web tab. Click on new. I'll give the name. Full page? Yes. Click next. Label of the tab. What is that? Apollo Hospital Health Care Feedback System. Tab name is this. Tab style. Inky Pinky Ponky, father has a donkey. It stopped there. Right? Description. You want to write? You write. Click next. What is the link? Copy and paste the link from the notepad. Click next. For all the profile? Yes, all the profile. Click next. For all the solution? No, only hospital solution. Oh, yeah, hospital management. Click save. Done. First deployment over. Next, you want to call it inside the patient also with a button. You know how to create a button? Object manager, scroll down, look for patient table, go to the button links and action, click on new button or link. Now I can choose any three. I can create a page button, I can create a list button, cross object list button. So I'll say page button. What is that? Feedback. Feedback. Come here. Paste. Click next or click save. A button got created. Now you have to go to the page layout and place that button. Walk-in patient. Button. Feedback 999 in here. Hi, map me feedback. Save. Done. Shall we go ahead and see? Right click, close. Right click, close. Right. Now I say refresh. Can you see here a tab coming up called as Apollo Healthcare? As soon as you click on it, this is what you have developed, guys. First time, no? Taking time. So wait. This is the way the end user will access. You develop there. Now you have put it here. Click next. Same thing. Tell me, name. Last and final time we'll do and we'll close this. KCR. Phone number 666. Next. Are you happy with the service? Yes. Yes. Click next. Over. Go and see this opportunity created with the KCR. KCR is happy. Please finish. It's ready for the next. This is called screen flow. This is called screen flow. Based on the input, you're deciding what to do. We call them as screen flow. Any questions? Anyone has any doubt till here?
Rupam.
Tell me.
Hello, Rupam.
Wait. Online. First offline, then online. If you give a blank space, what will happen? Perfect. Itlo cheyalante you have full day time. Ippudu chupichanu kada, I've shown you. Now you enter Shahrukh Khan, you enter blank space, answer 2, right? I'm not entering answer 1. Click next. Did you like the service? Name was blank. Did you like the service? My answer is Shah Rukh Khan. Right? Click next. What do you think would have got created now? Case? No. Because I said what? Are you happy with the service? I said. Shah Rukh Khan contains what? Shah Rukh Khan contains N. Somebody has a logic. Let us see whether a case got created or not. Case. Yes, it got created because Shah Rukh Khan contains N. Yo, I didn't thought about it. Okay. Apollo Healthcare Feedback System. We will take which doesn't contain N, which doesn't contain S, which doesn't contain maybe. Right? Enter name, blank, your wish. 666, next. Are you happy? Sampoorn.
Apollo.
Samporn. N is there. Shampoo. My answer is shampoo. Neither it contains N, neither it contains maybe, neither it contains Y. Yes. What the system will do is a question now. Click next. Huh? Maybe contains, I said may, so not M. So it should be may, M-A-Y. Right? So now you see that it didn't gone to the thank you screen. Directly turned back to the right. Any type of error that happens will be sent to your Gmail address. If your flow has encountered an error, it will go to the developer box, right? It will go to your developer box. If it's not coming to your developer box, this actually has caused an error. Error will not be displayed to the user. Back at the back, the error has happened. It came back as if you gave Sampoornesh. Sorry, let's start again. Shampoo you gave, we'll start again. But actually it got an error. Whenever you are not getting those error messages, what you have to do, keep that. Click on setup, right? Wait, expand your email, Apex exception email. Add your email here. Add Salesforce user. Any type of error happens in the program, send it to Rupam. Along with that, you can add, right, Apollo Hospital @hcl.in. Finally, who will be using this? Doctors, nurse. Suppose while using that, there's an error. The support project is with HCL. HCL will create one general box. All these errors will be put in that box. So going forward, the error will go to this box. Right? Able to understand in real time? And every support user will have access to this email box. Every day morning you'll come, you'll check this box first. What are the errors happened? Then you will check the number of tickets. Right? Able to understand? In the real time, user will say not working. How will you know what is not working, why not working, when not working? You go click, fill the data, click next, finish. You will say it's working. You will send a screenshot. Yeah, it's working for me. But in one scenario where he entered shampoo, it didn't work. How will you be able to understand that scenario? You will not have an idea that what that guys are doing, because that's an Apollo hospital. You are in HCL office sitting. You're the support. They raised a ticket. Ticket came to you. Error, no error, not flow. Apollo healthcare feedback system not working. Simple. Now you have to call the user. Hello, Dr. Abhishek. Yeah. Did you raise a ticket? Yes. It's not working. I see it's working. What's not working? No, it's not working. Can you share your screen? Can I see? This is the way the support will go. Before you go and call the client, it's better that you put all of of them in this box. So you can check that Dr. whoever it is, Abhishek ran and there's error. Before you call him, you know what is error. Able to understand? So you enter this here, Apex exception email, save. Going forward, if any error happens, it will be sent to my inbox. It will come here, right? EXEPTION. Let me show. Let me see. There's a lot of triggers causing error. See, March 12th. Developer script error. See, trigger 1203. Example 1. Recursive maximum trigger that exceeded. Before an error, if a client reports, I would be able to see here. See, caused by system null point exception, attempt to dereference a null object, class this, constructor ini, line number 8, column number 1. It's not my errors. When the end users are using it, immediately some error came in the screen. What the end user will do? Do you think end user will take a screenshot and they will create a ticket? They will not do all these things. What is the end user does? They will close it, again they will open, again they will try to put the data, right? Again they will put that, again error will come. Then you will say, system down. Again in the evening they will try, error. Then they will raise a ticket, error while creating patient. That's it, submit. Details, how will you know as a support person? What is the details? When this is happening, you don't know. This is the way the mails will be sent to a generic box in real-time environment. This is one of the best feature that Salesforce has given. For a support project, this is like a, now you know, before customer created, go and check the box. Okay, let me see, account create, create SCC. Before you call, you know what is the error, line number 8. Now you can go and check the code. Able to understand? So these are your helpful process, and you activate it from here under email, Apex exception email. Yes. Yes. Perfect. Anybody has any questions here online?
Nirupam, hello.
Tell me.
So can you repeat where to copy the link to deploy through tab or button? So where to copy the link? So can you repeat that?
Yes, you just need to copy the link. We have seen how to create the button. If you remember, in the button we opened Flipkart or something. Same thing, in that you will put this link. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
There's nothing change.
Okay.
Good.
Yes, thank you.
5 minutes break. After that, your class continues. Go back. 5 minutes, go back and come. Exactly 11:41. I'll start the class again. Right? I'm giving a gap between the topic because the next topic will be heating topic coming up. Temperature will increase now. Hey.
This conference will now be recorded.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Right. Few minutes back, we have seen how to create a flow, right? We have seen that whenever we create a flow, setup, right? I scroll down, I go for my process automation, I click on flows. We are in flows, not in workflow. Be precise. Workflow is different, flow is different. Right? In flow 5. Screen, auto launch, schedule, trigger, system or platform event based. Don't worry, we'll see. I have just shown you what? A screen flow. Next, I'm going to show you auto launch flow. Right? In auto launched, you don't need any input. User cannot input anything. System only will pull it. System only will do it. Everything will be done by the robotic process. No user intervention. In the earlier process, it was not 100% robotic. You have a manual intervention where you are entering the data. Based on your data, system is reacting. Now I'm going to show you a 100% true 24-karat pure robotic process where no human intervention, system will do by itself. What is the business requirement? Business requirement is that anything less than $100 to be deleted. Anything more than 100 and less than 500 should be a case to be created. Any opportunity less than 100 to be deleted. Don't keep in my system, throw them. These are all bekar opportunities. For example, $10. What should I do with the $10 opportunity? Throw it out. Any opportunity between $100 to $500, case has to be created. Why such small deals? Case, an investigation has to be done. We don't want any investigation on anything which is less than $100. Directly delete it. This is the business requirement. Do you think any input is required? Do you think any input is required? No. Right? System has to go directly to where? System has to go directly to, right? Sales. It has to go to the opportunity table. Whatever the opportunity is there, it has to pull and it has to either delete or create case. Delete, create case. That's it. Able to understand the business requirement? Yes or no? Everybody understood the business requirement? Perfect. Now, first, notepad. How will I do this? Before you start jumping on flow or anywhere, right? Thanks to Salesforce, in the recent release, they have made your complicated life more simple. But earlier than that, the same flow was quite difficult. What does that mean? Realistically, what we do, first thing, step 1, pull the data. Pull the data. From where? From OPP. What is the condition? I will say whenever amount is less than 500. Whenever the amount is less than 500. Because my focus is below 100 delete, 100 to 500 is case. So I will pull anything below 500. Next, how many records will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. They could be, right? For you to make you understand, parallelly I'll be doing. I'm entering dummy data in your system. If you remember, create 10 opportunities. Now I'm doing that. New. Opportunity name, AAAAA. Amount, $67. Close date, stage, 7 new. Opportunity, BBBBB. BBBBB. Amount, $34. Close date, something. Stage, 7 new. I'm just filling the system with some dummy data. Opportunity name, CCCCC. Amount, $15. Close date, next month 8. Stage, save. How many opportunities are there? A, B, B, C, C. As well as these all, if you open these are also how many dollars? So how many opportunities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 opportunities are there which are less than $100. These were system created. A, B, B, C, C was created by us. Everybody clear? So total 11. 11 to be deleted. New. Opportunity XXXXX. Amount 350. Close date 24th. Stage value proposition 7 new. Next. Opportunity name YYYY. Amount, right? $252. Close date 30th. Stage anything 7 new. Next. Opportunity name ZZZ ZZZ. Amount anything between 100 to 500. 333. Close date plus stage qualification. Save. How many cases to be created? 3. For these 3 records, 3 cases to be created. 11 to be deleted. Total data pulled will be 11 plus 3, 14. We have to pull how many data? Whenever I pull the data, 14 records will be pulled. Everybody is able to understand? Now, I have to store somewhere. I'm pulling the data from the database. I need a Bagona to put it, a big container. I cannot take in a glass and put 14 data, small. I need a big Bagona, right? In programming language, we call those big Bagonas as array or list. Big Bagonas are called as array / list. Big Bagonas are called arrays / list. Right? That means step number 1, how will it look? List of what? OPPORTUNITY. List of opportunity. If it's one data, then I have taken a single container. Whenever you want a big container, you say list. I'm starting your programming now onwards, slowly. Whenever you want to hold more than one data, you have to declare what? List data type in Salesforce. We'll talk about it when it comes. Right? Next. What is this container name? You have to give a container name. I will say OL. OL. Any name, you give your name, Rupam. OL. This is my Bagona's name, OL. Equal to this Bagona, this big container has to get the data. Who will put the data in that? Data will not come from automatically from the sky. For that, I have to write a program. Select ID, name from opportunity table where amount is less than 500. Everybody is able to understand, people who are from programming, people who are from non-programming. This is in English. This is in computer language. Same thing what you have written in English. Computer doesn't understand this language that you understand. Right? And your language he doesn't understand, his language you don't understand. That's the reason we are here. Now you see that whenever I run this command, system will immediately create a container, go to the database. There is a SQL statement there, structured. We'll talk about this programming details when you come to the programming class. If you're not able to understand, no issues at all. It's just that try to understand top level. That's it. We will go in depth and details when we come to the program. ఈ లిస్ట్ ఏంటిది, ఈ లిస్ట్ కి బ్రాకెట్ ఏంటిది, రైట్, ఈ స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ ఏంటిది. ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ ఎ బ్రిక్ బ్రాకెట్ హియర్. బ్రిక్ ఎందుకు, ఇలా ఎందుకు కాదు, why not this, all these things I will teach, don't worry. For now, just understand, don't look on the brackets, don't look on, just try to compare this and this, making sense enough. Now list big Bagona OL. In that Bagona, system will pull all. Total how many will be there in this Bagona now? 14. Whenever you say show me, open the container and show me the data, system will show you 14 data. Do you want to see? What should I do? No, my purpose is not to see. Don't add unnecessary steps. Is it my work was to see? No, my work is to delete or create case. That's it. I don't want to see. Perfect. Let's go ahead. Data is pulled. Next, step 2. Now you have to put your hand in the Bagona, take one data out, check the amount, less than 100, throw it to the dustbin. Then take another one out, this is also less than 100, shit, throw it. Next, take the hand out. Now in the container, 2 gone. How many is there? 12. Put your hand again, take it out. 333. What will you do? Will you throw? No, you will take it and you will create a case for it. That means I cannot do at a time all 100 come out. No, in that Bagona it's all mixed. I don't know where is the leg piece and where is the right mutton piece, right? I have to take one by one and then check. Every time you have to go one by one, and that is called pull data one by one and check. Put your hand from where? From OL. From OL, OL is the container. From OL, pull one by one data from OL and check. In the check, what is the condition? If AMOUNT, amount AMOUNT, right? If, okay na? Okay, fine. If amount less than 100, then what will you do? Else, if it's not 100, there's only 2 choices, either less than 100 or more than 100. In this Bagona, there is any choice, any other choice would be there, because you have pulled less than 500. So there is no chances that in the Bagona there is any record with 3000, amount 3000. Indicate while pulling itself, by pulling itself we pulled chicken. There is no chances that there will be mutton piece inside it. Starting itself you have pulled what? Chicken, and inside this chicken is there. So now even if you're searching a mutton inside, it's a waste. Able to understand the logic? If it's less than 100, then yes. Else, do I need to check now anything? No, directly I can say create case. Else, create case. I don't need to check because there are only 2 choices possible. Guys, everybody able to understand? Right? Now, how this is English. What is the equivalent in programming? What is the equivalent in programming? You'll not be able to understand, but just understand the flow. For, now I'm writing a program. For, don't look on the brackets. For opportunity. One data that I'm taking out. What is this? Opportunity. Give a name. Each data. From where? From OL. From OL, one by one will call ED. OL is collection of 14. From there you took one out, that is called ED. You give any name. You give E, A, B, C, right? All one. You say all. If you say A, ALL, then you'll say all. All. From all, each. All. Where is all? Here is all. This is a big container. From all, each. Now I will say if those who know programming, they are able to understand. Else, this is how if else is written. Don't worry, I'll explain it very deep. So don't worry if you're not able to understand. If each dot amount less than 100, then delete each. Else create case. Create case is not the command. There's something I have to initialize, which we'll see later, right? This is actually a programming. Now the same thing we will do with a non-programming. Exactly this step I'm going to repeat now in our flow. First, pull the data. Second, one by one, check. Create case, delete through this side. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Flow. I click on flow. Flow. New flow. I will not select screen now. This time I will select auto launch. Earlier I took this. Before the break, I took this. Now I'm selecting. Click next. Freeform, auto layout. Freeform. What is the difference? Do you find any difference? Do you see any difference anywhere? Interaction used to have 3 there. Now it has only 2. Logic, 3 there. Here 4. Data 4, same. So the change is in this 2. Here there is no screen because this is auto launched. User cannot control screen. If screen is there, you can control. It's a control panel. This is auto. Now what I'm going to do, first thing, get pull OPP less than 500. Same step what we did here, the same step I'm doing. Step 1, pull data from opportunity less than 500. Here we go. What is the object? Opportunity. What is the condition? Wherever the account amount less than do you want to sort the data? What should I do? Anyhow, in the Bagona, it will be there. What is the need of sorting inside a Bagona? What is the need of sorting a data inside a container? Let it be. Right? I'm not sorting. Do you want only one record? All records. Have you created any have you created any way to store the data? Where is the Bagona? It's asking. I'm pulling the data, but the data has to be put in this all. Where is that all? It's asking. There are a couple of options. Automatically store all fields. Sorry. right? I will say no. Choose the field and Salesforce do the rest. I don't know how to create a Bagona. Do you know? Did I taught you how to create it? You don't know. So when we don't know, I will choose the field. You create the container. You create the Bagona. You put the data inside that. Don't give me the headache. Salesforce will say yes. Perfect. So I'm selecting the second one. Otherwise, I will create the field. I will create the Bagona. This is the third option, right? Which I will show you same thing tomorrow after the class. After the class, I will show you this additional topic where, because now if I create a Bagona, you all will get confused because you don't know programming. So we don't know how to create a Bagona. We don't know how to create a container. I will go by what? Automatically store all field. Do you need all? I just need name and amount. That's it. Right? What are the fields you need? I need amount. What are the fields you need? I need name. Name of the opportunity. How many fields are picked up? In opportunity, there are so many fields are there. Stage, right? Next step. Then what else? Close date. Do you want all those things? No. That is the reason I've not taken this one. All. I click on done. I go ahead and drag here. Now, from this container, pull the data, store in the container automatically created by Salesforce. I didn't do anything. From the container, you have to pick one by one data from the container. I will take loop. One by one after one. Every time put hand, take out, put hand, take out, put hand, take out, put hand, take out. 14 times I have to put my hand. Same thing I'm doing again. Putting a hand, taking out, putting a hand, taking out, putting a hand, taking out. This is called loop. You're doing the same thing again. What is that? Put hand, take data one by one, take out. Put your hand, take the data one by one. Where is the data? The one which is created in step one. Do you want to take first to last or last to first? How does it make a difference? Total 14 times you have to put your hand, whether first record or last record. You put your hand this side or that side. No meaning. I don't care. Done. Now I have to connect this to this. Guys, able to understand? Or I'm simply shouting and wasting my voice? Tell me this first. Yes. Next. Now, whenever I call this, this will give me how many data? Only one data will give. One by one. In this 14 is there. Here one by one. Orange will give you one by one. Now I will take a decision. What to do? What to do? Delete. Whenever single record, one by one, no. Put your hand, take one by one. So one record came out. Equals to no. Right? Current. What I did, right? Once again, keep watching. Single, current, one by hand. Dot amount. Dot amount less than 100. Current loop item current item is less than dot amount. If you put your hand here, see amount. Current item arrow amount is less than how much? 100. Then I will say delete. Plus create create case. Whenever the current loop item dot amount greater than or equal to how much? 100. Done. Let me check. I have delete and create case. Greater than 100, create case. Less than 100, delete. Same thing I'm doing. Greater than 100, delete. Less than 100, create case. Done. Join this. For each item, yes. For each item, decide what to do. Now, delete. OPPP. For deletion, what you need? ID. Data loader. Deletion, what you need? Use the ID stored in here. In this ID is there? Yes. Amount is there? Yes. Name is there? Yes. Done. Delete. Create case. How many cases you have to create? One or multiple? One. Literal values. Already there. Here we go. What is that? Case. For case, what is required? Origin. For case, origin is required. Is that correct? Yes or no? Status is required? Both are required. Seriously, I don't know. Right? Just now we checked, but still people are having questions. Inta munde check chesham. Just now we did it new. Hit save. But status, there is a default value, no? Already the status is new. Even if I don't touch status, what the system will do? It will take automatically because the new is there. Here, any default value is there? Any default value is there? No, there is no default value here. So what will happen? Case origin is only the one which is compulsory. Guys, kukudu kuku. Right? What is this? Where is case origin? What is this? Take anything. Web. Next. Subject. What I will do? Please know. First, I will take single record dot name. Did I pull the name? Yes, I pulled the opportunity name also. Where is the name field? Name. I will say, please investigate. Please investigate XXX. Please investigate YYY. That is the name. Right? Put the hand take the data out, dot name. Whichever data you have taken out is name. Ade kudundi. Put the hand, take the data out, right? Take one by one, name. Clear? Done. Create case. When both is done, what I have to do? But this is there. Is it done? No, it is not done. 14 records are there here. This will pull one by one. One is pulled. Then it will be given to this. This will decide to delete or to. Let's assume that the data that I took out is to delete. It will go here. Now again you have to go back and tell him to give the next data. Yes. After deleting, again you have to go and tell the loop, hey loop, give me the next data. So it will give the next data. This data I took my hand. Less than 100? No, it's more than 100. More than it means create a case. System will go and create a case. Next what? Again you have to go and tell the loop, hey loop, give the next data. Like this, the data will be given, delete, go to the loop, next data. Create case, go to the loop, next data. Like this, one by one, till this loop is completely out of. The last record when it gives, next time when they come, hello, give me the data. Bagona is empty. This is how the system is working. Got it? Able to visualize in your brain? Same thing I am placing it here. Right? Save. What is the name? Auto delete or create case. Name. Click save. Shall we run? As soon as we run, nothing will come. Directly it will do the work. You don't need to give any input. As soon as you run, start, pull the data, give it one by one, then decide, delete, next data, decide, create, next data, decide, delete, next data, delete, next data, delete, next data, delete, next data, create, next data, delete, next data, create, next data, delete, next data, decide what to do. So this loop will be going like this, every time like a current wire. As soon as I run, remember that sales opportunity XYZ to be deleted. Sorry, XYZ to be case created. All these KCR, GCR, A, all this to be immediately deleted. Right? Perfect. Perfect. Shall I click run? 1, 2, 3, kick. What I got? Your flow is finished. Come and check now. Opportunity. See that all A, B, C are where? Go and check in the recycle bin. Can you see recycle bin? See? A, C, C, B, B, Madhavi not happy, A not happy, right? KCR not happy, whatever it's, all these, sorry, happy. Anything less than 100 got deleted. Now I should go to the case. I should be able to see, please investigate XX, please investigate YY, please investigate ZZ. Can you see? Is our flow working? Any user input required? No. Understood? Understood? Tell me. Sorry? If you don't give no condition, automatically will do, no. After delete, you're pointing to that loop. That means going there. After create case, again you're pointing. So if the delete comes, after delete will go to the loop. There's nothing, automatically take care of it. That is the process of robotics. How you can use robotics in Salesforce. I don't need any human intervention. This I can call with a button. But again, somebody will tell me, Rupam, firing is done by button, no? Right? No. Tomorrow's class, this will be automatically fired every time you create a record. Whenever you create an account, this will be called. Anytime you create account or contact, I want opportunity, check opportunity for duplicates. Ardhamautunda? As soon as an opportunity is created, I want this process to be called. System will, as soon as you create an opportunity, immediately the robot will be called. Hello, less than 100, delete. More than 100, create case. It will do nothing. It will say hello, nothing to do. That's it. Yeah, it will not give error. Right? Any other question? Not now. There are still so many tools are there. Let us learn all the tool and then we will decide when to use workflow, when to use approval builder, when to use flow, when to use auto launch flow, when to use screen flow, when to use trigger flow, when to use schedule flow, when to use process builder, when to use notification builder. So we learned half. So let's not discuss when to use what. Let us learn the full biryani. Then we will say when to put masala, which masala when. In half biryani, I cannot tell you which masala to be put. Right? Guys, able to understand? Your brain got heated up? I'll stop it here. That's it for today.
Rupam?
Yes, tell me.
Rupam, just one question. So, in the real time, like who, for example, just we did the validation scenario, right? So if the field validation is not done, like who exactly? I mean, so I'm that. So I designed this, but I mean, what? Because I mean, there will be the testing team who will be testing all these validations, right?
Yes, correct.
So before it goes to the production.
I got your question. If I got it correctly, if you missed a condition, first of all, if you miss, it's your mistake. If you miss also, it has to be tested by the testing team. They will read the feature and the story and they will check whether did you miss that condition or not. And they will give a report, test pass, test fail. Right?
Yeah.
Done. Any other questions?
These can be avoided before it goes to the production, right? Usually it happens in the real time, right? Yeah.
Yes, obviously.
Yes, that I mean, just want to make sure that's all. Thank you.
Your 2 months class still there. Your 2 months rigorous class is starting from Monday. That is the reason I'm so serious now. Right? Everyone can leave except the people who were not there in the last 2 days. Everyone can leave in the classroom except the people who were not attending the classes for last 2 days. I want them to stay back. Thank you guys. Have a nice and wonderful day. Bye-bye. Last 2 days absentees, sit. Online. Everybody can leave except the last 2 days absentees.